Wait, did I turn this on? Son of a bitch! No!
That's a rookie mistake.
I know. Dang it. Alright, so...
Is it a lot hotter than it is in Wisconsin right now?
I hate who I'm becoming socially. Like all my social interactions, I'm disintegrating into somebody I want to punch in the mouth. Like, I start weather chats with people all the time now. Like, ugh.
What's up, everybody? I'm up here in Buford, Georgia, heading to the Georgia motorcycle meetup that Chase on Two Wheels is throwing. Just met randomly a guy named Kyle from Wisconsin that drove his Honda CBR 600 down from Wisconsin to this meetup. That's a long ride, man. So getting ready to go meet Josh and KN from Harventures. I think Josh and I are going to do a bike swap. It'll be nice to finally meet KN and Josh. They seem like good people. So I can't imagine they would all of a sudden be assholes in person. But you never know. They may think I'm a good dude too and meet me and think, man, this guy's a douche.
He's a real douche.
I guess we shall see. Dude, what's up with birds, man? Oh, and on the way here, I didn't have my my GoPro on, but I think I've come up with a name for my bike. I know I did a vlog a while back about help me name my bike. I haven't named it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna name it the Death Machine. This thing's all black, so it has that death look. Not only have I hit a bird on this bike, and I've got a video of it, but I'm gonna wait and put that up in the compilation. But today I ran over a squirrel. All I saw was it kind of run it into my underneath right peripheral vision, and then I felt my front tire jump over it.
I sent Chase a message. Dude, I rode down from Wisconsin. I'm meeting you.
I'd like to meet you, please. What's that?
So it looks like fun.
It is until you take your helmet off.
Yeah, you're right.
Just gonna do bike swap. This is what it is. Buy it, buy it, buy it.
I parked her in a lot of gravel for you.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
You can spin her out going up.
That's how I'm geared up. I'm ready to go. This is
What's up?
Chris right here. We're about to do a bike swap. So I got my bike over yonder, and I'm about to ride an FZ07 for the first time. Okay, so I have the traction control on 1.
Okay.
Which is like the lowest setting, but I'd much rather you have it on than off.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be
yeah.
you ain't gotta worry about that.
You've ridden in like the R6.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I mean it's basically the same setup. The only thing is the quick shifter and auto blipper. So you can kind of test it out when you're going. If you want to do the quick shifter, you have to have the throttle on, but it doesn't matter the speed except for like first and second. If you're going kind of slow, you might need to just
Say what?
put some force behind it.
Right.
But you don't have to use the clutch.
All right, man. This is so much taller than my bike.
I know. I'm silly. Hey, that's the other thing. I don't have rear blinkers right now.
Okay. That's going to be a completely different bike because I mean, it's squishy.
Yeah.
It's so different.
Yeah.
But get up on it when we get on a straightaway. Look at that. It's a
Big backfire coming out of there.
do what? Oh yeah, it'll do that. It'll pop.
Oh yeah. It sounds good, man.
Oh, it sounds good.
Mine's so quiet. We should have looked at the map before we did this.
Yeah. Let's go. It's hot. That's Josh on the OSZ. And we don't know where we're going. That's so crazy how fast this thing is. And so aggressive on the stance, man. I mean, I should have stretched. My bike looks so small next to this one, too. Let's see. Oh, dude. This thing definitely feels good. I mean, you can go 70 miles an hour like nobody's even trying. Dude. Definitely feel the heat coming off this thing. What the f, man? Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
So it's been a fun meetup. Got to meet Motornosity, got to meet Chase, got to meet Spin with Finn. Dude, this thing's sweet.
Yeah.
There's a lot of heat comes off on your feet though, man.
That's one thing I should have put in the 5 things I hate.
I was like, damn, my feet are hot. It's definitely got a little more pep than the FZ.
Yeah.
I think Josh's buddy Darius may be the second most noticed person here next to Chase with that video that Josh just made. Too funny. Oh yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, my bike to him is probably like riding an R3. Don't get me wrong, my bike's got a little power, but nothing like this thing. I mean, you can just feel the power available at your fingertips. I mean, second gear, you could be going well over 100 miles an hour. Just insane. It's such a nice bike, man. Glad I got to ride it. It's first ride on a Kawasaki, Josh. What's up? That's fun, man.
Yeah, dude. That's fun. It's a different bike altogether.
Yeah. It's definitely, I mean, if you want a true super fast sport bike. This ain't it.
It was still fun. Like, it felt nimble. So hopefully you enjoyed mine.
That's a curse, because when you ride, I mean, just ride my R6, brother-in-law's R6,
Yeah.
gave me a little of the feel.
I can't wait to watch your video, especially when that car was like cutting us off. You're like, hey! Alright, so yeah, I did a ride on Roosevelt 16.
And I did a ride on your bike,
What year was yours?
2016.
Okay, so his is 16, mine's a 17. And yeah, so if you want to check out his video, go to his channel. You can go check that out. Right there.
And if you want to watch my video of him riding my bike, you can check him out right there.
All right.
Peace.